it's Noah from Noah and Kyle, or Kyle and Noah Ogden. I'm going to be doing fidget spinner videos now. Because I just got it today, so I'm not going to be the best.
But he is pretty good.
Yeah, already. So, I'm going to tell you how to put it on your fingers. I know, it's really dumb, but you're not supposed to do it with the pointer. You're supposed to do it with your middle and thumb. Not like this, like this. Like, not like you're pinching someone, like how you're about to flick, but like put them together, like on the fidget spinner. So then, of course, you just do that. Then this is the easiest thing to do. Well, that, but other than that is this. Then another thing, this is a little higher. Well, not higher, really. I can actually kind of do it. It's kind of hard, though. Right?
Mm-hmm.
If he doesn't mind, then maybe I'll tape him.
It's challenging.
Doing it.
I don't know. I probably can't do that.
This one spins really good. You can do this to cheat. Here, I'm on YouTube. I'm going for you. Why not?
Let me do it.
Yeah, really badly.
Hi, this is Kyle from Noah and Kyle.
It's Kyle or Noah.
Is it Kyle and Noah? That's what I said.
No, you said Noah and Kyle.
Oh.
You said,
everyone.
This is Kyle from Noah and Kyle. No, it's...
This is Noah and this is Kyle. Or that's Kyle and this is Noah. This is Kyle and that's Noah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. I remember
Silly.
who I am. This is Kyle with the fidget spin. Watch and learn.
You're supposed to make it spin on the other hand, too.
Oh.
Almost.
That's very tricky.
It is to do that.
Now, are you supposed to do it like that?
I already told him.
Can you do it with one finger? One hand?
It's a lot harder to do with one hand. Trust me. Well, I haven't tried it. You can do it pretty good.
Are you even taping me still?
Yeah.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I am.
I can do it with one hand. Yeah, but you were pointing at me.
I was like, at your
now we're going to have
face.
to edit all that out right there. You're like taping my leg.
I was like,
You can also try it one hand. Slow motion spin.
Like focused on the fidget spinner. Not anything. Oh, that looks cool. Also, guys, I want to show you something.
One-handed?
I haven't tried it.
Let's see if Noah can do it one-handed.
So, like, what?
Challenge accepted.
Not as good as you can, though. I mean, I can.
You got it, yeah. That's good.
But I'm better at doing it like this, right?
Oh.
Also, I can do it on my knee. Ready?
Woo!
Pretty easy.
Dude's got tricks.
So another thing that you can do with it, on the table. I'm going to do it on a placemat. You just do the same thing because you want to have that on there. It looks really, it's actually going a lot faster than it looks like a lot faster. Alright, well, that's the end of this episode, guys. We'll see you all in the next episode.
Catch you later. Bye.